Question 10, purely and simply, use of your calculator. You can type the entire thing into your calculator, but as it's got 3 marks, it's going to be beneficial to show some working out. So I'm going to do, see if we can see that. Can you see that from the back, sir? No. Right. I'm not going to be able to put any light on that. So, on your calculator, you're going to type in the square root symbol. So you're going to type in the square root symbol, and then you're going to do 12.2. If you have a calculator, doing this alongside Weem will prove that you can do it. If you don't have a calculator, you need to sort that out. If you're not used to using your same calculator in an exam, you're handicapping yourself. It's like suddenly trying to send an emergency quick text on a phone you've never used before. You won't know where the buttons are. So 12.2 minus 3.3 squared equals, it gives me root 131 over 10, but I need to press the SD button on my calculator to turn it into a decimal. And I'm going to write down this whole decimal. So I'm going to write down 1.144552314. I'm then going to work out the bottom line. The bottom line has a number in brackets all cubed, so I'm going to type it in exactly like that. So if you're watching my buttons, if you don't have a calculator, I'm going to be typing in open bracket 4.6 plus 0.09 close brackets and then all cubed. My calculator has a cubed button. Another way of doing that is doing x to the power and then typing 3 in, but also some calculators have this symbol, which means to the power of, hence get used to using your calculator. So for my one, I'll press the cubed button, equals, and it gives me 103.161709. I will now type those back into my calculator. That over that, a fraction means divide. So you can either do it as a fraction. I would just type that middle line as a divide sign. And you should, and please do it and check, get an answer of 0.011094,739. And I guess if I look back, the thing I maybe should have highlighted was write down all of the figures. So I've written down everything there. I would suggest if you don't get that question right on your calculator now, at some point you speak to your teacher and get them to show you, because you need to be able to press those buttons, because I think that is a real easy gimme. It's question 10, but it's just typing numbers into a calculator. Marks awarded. 1 for the numerator, 1 for the denominator, 1 for the final answer. And the video that would be useful here is video 352, which relates to use of a calculator.